Hey y'all, today I'm putting a Starlight headliner in the Brothers Challenger. Got the headliner out, I'll take it apart. I mean, you can do this with any car. It's just what's going to be different is where you mount the projector and then how you take the headliner out. But I wanted to give you kind of a quick rundown of how I'm doing it. I think it makes it organized and everything. So I split the whole headliner in half this way and then in 5 sections on the side of it. So right here you can see the line I drew, and then drew another line here, another one here, another one there, another one there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 10 in total. Came with 550, so I did like 55 for most of them, and then a little less for, no, I did 55. I counted them out and then labeled them, so I separated them, and you can kind of see how they're separated back there. But then what you do is, since you know there's 55 per section, you do 55 dots, like holes. And then you can take a drill with a bit. Let me see if I can find the bit. Oh, here it is. This is what I've been doing though. So I didn't poke all the way through the like black lining on the bottom of it, and it would look weird. What you do is you just, actually let me make a hole over here. So like I have pretty much 80% of it done, but then I've got this section left in that section. Haven't marked that section, just mark this one. But what I'll do is I'll use my body weight and I'll just kind of press through it, but not all the way. So on the bottom, you're not all the way through. And it ends up taking a little bit longer, but then you can feed, here's what I just did. You can feed the wire through and just kind of push on it harder, and it'll pop out. It'll pop out right on the other side through the headliner, so you don't have like the big cut or like a little like frayed area. And I've accidentally gone through, I've probably done 400 holes now, and I've accidentally gone through like maybe 5. So yeah, but how I have this is the rear of the headliner. I'm gonna have the projector sitting kind of in here, but on the inside, obviously. That way, I've seen some people put, and when I refer to the projector, I'm not sure if that's actually correct, but this thing that connects to the bottom of the little wire, and the thing that actually projects the light. But if we ever needed to service it or change it, I don't really think that this could fail as a whole, but if it can, it's just a nut, and then they're all in here. But I didn't want to mount, I see some people mounting this on the headliner. 1, I think it's too big, and then 2, I want to actually be able to service it. So I think that's a good idea. And then your kit's gonna differ, but you have a 12 volt, you have a straight wire, you have an actual house outlet plug, but yeah, and there's some ways that you can do the little retractable sunshade that's below the sunroof. But you have to take it out and you have to drill holes through it. And I just didn't want to do that. I figured if you wanted to see those stars with these stars, he could just open this sunshade back and actually see real stars. But yeah, I'll show you when we get done. I don't really want to show you how to like put it back in, because the headlines are gonna be different for every car as far as how you take it out, how big it is, how small it is, if there's a sunroof or not. The sunroof's a little bit harder to get around because you have a little lip that you have to get out to, and then the sunroof controls. But other than that, I just kind of wanted to show you the easier way. It takes organizing it like this kind of takes a little bit longer on the front end, but I think it makes it a lot easier whenever you actually get to putting it together and kind of seeing it come together. But yeah, anyways, let me finish this and then I'll show you the finished product. All right, so here we are. Got most of them cut. What I'm doing, taking some toenail clippers and just getting up here and boom, going. But I gotta put the rest of the car back together. And then we will show you what it looks like. I just want to show you kind of how I'm doing this. All right, guys, we are in the completed Challenger. I'm trying to use the mirror to see what you can see. But I'm gonna show you, yep, lights are going off. Probably can't see me anymore. There we go. And the controller, let's turn them white. Yep, looks like some real stars. And so this is what we got in here. You can see the twinkles. They can fade, do it all. This looks a lot more solid white in person, but anyways, so that's it. I think they turn out really good. Brother likes them, so yeah, not hard at all. You guys can do it yourself. Get to it.